Welcome back to the channel. The REDTIGER 2K STARVIS2 dash cam is designed for drivers who want sharp video quality, reliable safety, and excellent night performance without stepping up to a full 4K system. Featuring Sony's advanced STARVIS2 sensor, this dash cam captures clear, detailed 2K footage in both bright daylight and challenging low-light conditions, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving. 4K 1080p dual recording, this dash cam which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840x2160p, FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. Superior night vision, this dash cam driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low light conditions. Wi-Fi/smart app control, you just need to connect the dash cam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the REDTIGER Cam app to view, playback, and manage the dash cam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit recordings in the REDTIGER Cam app. By just one click you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dash cam with GPS, this dash cam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPSPlayer, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Super after-sales, our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. This dash cam is backed by full 18-month assurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Please note, the car charger needs to be connected to the car's cigarette lighter. If your car doesn't have a cigarette lighter, the REDTIGER 2K STARVIS2 dash cam delivers a perfect balance of performance and value. With enhanced night vision, smooth recording, and essential protection features, it's built to keep you covered on every trip. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.